started. My name is Melissa Mose, and I'm the managing editor at St. Louis Homes and Lifestyles, and we'd just like to welcome you all to our April cooking school with Vin de Set. Before we get started, I just wanted to thank Construction Appliance for hosting us tonight. And now I'm going to turn it over to Chef Ivy, and he's the chef at Vin de Set, and he's going to make 3 great dishes for us. Feel free to ask him any questions throughout the cooking school tonight, and hopefully he'll be able to answer.
It'd be pretty embarrassing if I
would be.
I don't know. You got me. So I'll answer the questions. So. My name is Ivy Magruder. I work at a small restaurant downtown on Shoto called Vin de Set. We've been open now 7 years. Our first restaurant was called 1111 Mississippi, which is literally just around the corner on 1111 Mississippi. That's going on 10 years now. Sugar's in there when it's slow and steady. Take your time with that. So that would be, that's how we serve. And actually at the restaurant we actually go one more high, but I think for our purposes today, I think that's just fine. I love olive oil. Best oil there is. Hands down, it's one of the most enjoyable things. I love, it's horrible for me. I should not have these carbs that I can't get enough. I love a loaf of bread, olive oil in my belly. A gas street is that liquid at the bottom, that mussel liqueur actually is delicious and wonderful. Game hen and duck. 3 different, on its own, very delicious dishes. Together, it makes for the perfect dish. So, very simply, just seasoned. I don't want to misrepresent. A lot of what we do go in here, and that's going to be more flavor there.